Hello, this is Ramin with RaminDigital.com and RaminDigital on YouTube. I have a new free logo reveal intro for all of our subscribers. It's only 10 seconds. It's a very good one to putting in front of your videos. It's only 10 seconds long, and you can modify putting it, adding your channel logo or your channel name or your tagline or whatever you want to put in there. Very simple editing. You can go into there are two text field layers in it, one for your tagline and one for your name. You can open up the name and change it to your URL, to your channel name. And then change your tagline to whatever your website reflects. You can change the font, size, color, whatever the shape that you want to put in there. And all you gotta do is render it. I added a few audio track into it. This is the main track with some sound effect that when your tagline starts. I'm gonna render all of these into one track, so it's much easier to edit and much easier to render. There are three versions of this, of the main graphics. One is the red one that you can see. I have a blue one and a green one. I include all of these things in different tracks, and I have them muted. So if you want the orange one, you just render it as is. If you want to go with the blue one, so mute the orange track and unmute the blue one, the blue track. So you get the blue, then the text applied. You can change the text color to match your blue background. And also there's a green version. You can unmute this and you get the green version. I hope you enjoyed this intro. It's a quick one, again 10 seconds long. And if you like it, please make sure you like and subscribe before downloading it from our website. Thank you for watching.